California looks amazing.
I can't wait to explore. This place looks fun.
Let's find some gold.
Everything looks beautiful.
The town felt like history.
These wagons are so old.
What is this tool?
Welcome to Gold Rush Town. Today you can search for gold.
I want to find treasure.
This is exciting.
Let's get started. The adventure began.
The water shines like diamonds.
Maybe gold is hiding here.
I'm gonna find gold.
Move the pan gently.
Everyone smile.
I hope I find something. Tom searched carefully.
Come on, gold.
No gold yet.
Keep trying. Emma never gave up.
The river sparkled brightly.
Wait, what's that? I found something! Ah!
Let me see.
That looks like gold. Emma found real gold.
I found gold! That's incredible!
Now it's my turn.
I found one too! I found gold!
Great job, Tom.
These photos are perfect.
Everyone felt proud. Many miners searched here.
Let's see inside.
The museum was fascinating.
Their lives were difficult.
Those nuggets are huge.
Mining was very hard work. These tools were essential for the early settlers.
I learned a lot today.
The day was ending.
The sunset is beautiful. This is my treasure. I found real gold.
Today was unforgettable.
They found gold and wonderful memories.